In this video, we're going to be doing an improvisation. The right hand is going to have broken open fifths on the white keys, this sort of idea. And the left hand is going to have block triads in the same position, in this case, the G position. So we're going to have this sort of thing in the left hand, block triads on the right, block triads on the white keys, and the right hand is going to have open fifths on the white keys in the same position. The fifths are going to be broken though. Let's go to the A position. Let's go to G again. Why not? That sounded pretty good. Let's go to E. Okay, I could move this all down an octave, has a very different sound. I'm going to speed it up a little bit too. C, G, G, F, G, A, C, G, G, F, G, D, D, E, F, Now, does this have to be steady, back and forth, alternating? No, of course not. We could create some sort of little rhythmic idea. Something like that. And this is block. So you notice I was doing some variety here in the rhythmic pattern work of the right hand, breaking that fifth. It created a variety of little rhythmic ideas. Or it could even be, we could have a repeated note to C, to D, F, G, etc. So now we could have a regular pulse in the left hand and do some sort of melodic idea in the right. Open fifths that are broken. So let's go to F. Let's go back to D. Let's go to F. To G. Go back to D. This pattern or this striking of the triad could be faster. But you get the idea. So we're just creating things out of very simple means. Both hands in the same position, same beginner's pentascale. One finger per key. The right hand had the open fifth that was broken. The left hand had the triad that was block, and we moved things around in tandem with one another to various positions. Have fun with that.